Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Dama here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be on this look I am wearing here, and I'm going to show you how to create a very easy glam look in just under 10 minutes. So if you want to learn how I created this, just keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. I post videos every Sunday. So you can also head on over to my Instagram at DamaLuxBeauty if you want to keep up with me during the week. And let's just jump right in. Put on this headband really quick. Today my hair has all this volume going on and it's really annoying me, but whatever. I look past it. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this 10-minute makeup look that I do. First, I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. It is one of my all-time favorite primers right here. As you can see, the bottle is basically empty. Next, I'm gonna go in with the LANCôME Skin Feels Good Antioxidant Sunscreen Boredom Spectrum SPF 23, and this one is in the shade Amber, and I love this tinted moisturizer. Whenever I don't want to do nothing too crazy, I kind of just use this. I'm gonna blend that in using the Morphe Y6, but because I do happen to have oily skin, I don't like to do this without setting it on top with a setting powder, or else throughout the day it wears terribly for me. I look super oily. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that with the Kat Von D powder foundation in the shade Deep 74. I like using this powder foundation to set because it is really good for oily skin, and I find that it wears through the day really well. As I was going through my makeup, I'm like, let me change up my concealer. I'm always using the same product. So I came across a concealer that I used to love and haven't worn in forever, and it's this ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 40, and I just keep it very minimal. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Then I'm going to wet my beauty sponge using the BADESCU facial spray. I'm using the Eco Tools beauty sponge, by the way. And for my brows, I'm going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. I used this in my last video, and as I was telling you guys, I love this brow pencil. I actually ended up looking it up, and it is $10 at Ulta, not $6 like I thought it was. I still think it's cheaper than the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills, so I still highly recommend it. Because I kind of already have full brows, I don't have to do too much. I kind of just fill in the gaps where my brows are a little more sparse. Then I just go in with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Medium Dark or Caramel. And this is my favorite product to clean up the brows. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. And I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer brush to do this. And then I just go in with this Real Techniques Expert concealer brush, and then I just buff that out. Okay, so I totally forgot to set my concealer. I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in the, what is this one? I think this is the banana one. Just going to dip my beauty sponge in here. Tap off the excess because this is a lot of product. Using the same brush I used earlier, I'm going to go ahead and sweep off the excess. Okay, now we're going to go straight into bronzer. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer, and this one is in the shade Mahogany. And I'm going to apply that using this Real Techniques buffing brush. This is just kind of to warm up my cheeks. Not truly that intense on me, really. Or I'm trying to not make it super intense today. And then what I also like to do, I like to go in with a shadow brush, and this is the M532, and I'm going to apply that right on my crease to kind of create some depth on my eyes as well. because I'm not really gonna wear eyeshadow. I don't really bother with eyeshadow when I'm creating this look, so I'm gonna go over again on the nose. For blush today, I'm gonna go in with one of my all-time favorite, the Sephora Hot Flush. I'm going to go in using the Morphe E4. And this blush is very, very intense, so I try to do it with a very light hand. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio. And this one is in the shade Molten Gold. I'm gonna dip my Morphe 518 in here, just apply. And then I'm also going to then dip my Morphe E36 in the same exact highlight to apply it to my inner corner, brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. I normally like to apply eyeliner when I create a look like this, so I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and this one's in the shade Black is Black, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember, but I will tag it down below for your convenience. And I don't create it like a wing liner, I just want to create a bit of a eyeliner effect, so I keep it pretty short. And I also don't make it super thick, but for me I don't make it super thick because I have very small lid space, so because I have a little bit of work with, I have to keep it tiny. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going to be using the Grande Lash Mascara. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, and I just want it so I can apply falsies on top. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Iconic Lit, or Light, however it's pronounced. They are these pretty full lashes. Okay guys, had to get off camera really quick because I decided to break one of my lashes. You see that this one's like longer than this one, but oh well, it is what it is, you know? Where am I going anyways? Doing my makeup to go nowhere. Anyways, last step and final part to my 10-minute makeup is the lips. For today, I'm going to be using the Ofra. I have no clue what the name is because it's long gone, but I'll figure out what it is. It's this pretty like cinnamony liquid lipstick. If you haven't tried Ofra liquid lipstick, it's a must. They're so soft. Then I'm gonna go on top of that with the Dame Boss Colors by Cora lip gloss in the shade Pop In. This is, guys, the most shiny, soft, delicious lip gloss I've ever tried in my life. Oh, forgot some setting spray. Today I'm going to be using the Iconic Linde Prep Set in Glow. I wanted to try this one out because it has little specks of glitter. I thought it'd be super fun. Let's add a little bit of this. Oh, that mist is so nice. Oh, and it smells so good. Yes. Oh, I almost took my eye out. Okay, I think I'm good. Alrighty guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and hit subscribe below before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.